Hey guys, Kimberly Thomason here with Vac MD, and I wanted to show you this cool Riccar pet hair tool. You can see I don't have it attached to a vacuum currently, and there's a reason for that. This is probably the best tool I've ever found in our industry to pick up pet hair. This is simulated pet hair, and I will also show you Sarah's actual pet hair on the carpet and show you how well it picks it up. So you can see it doesn't have any brush roll, and this is not spinning, but even without that, look how well this picks up. Oh, it does have a little bit of Sarah hair here. So you're probably thinking, where is all the hair going? Well, good question. So you just open it up here, and there's your hair. So typically your vacuum would suck that away, but right now I'm using it without a vacuum attached, which is kind of neat because let's say you don't want to pull out your vacuum and you want to quickly clean your couch before some guests come over, you can do so. All right, so I have some real actual dog hair. Thank you to Sarah for that. And I want to show you guys how well this works on that. Isn't that great? It's not really on there either. So we're gonna open this again, kind of hard. All of Sarah's hair is in there. If I had this attached to a vacuum, it would have been sucked into the vacuum, but that is all you need in order to do pet hair. It's amazing. And this tool, there's a link to this tool in our description. The tool is $49.99, and it's probably the last pet hair tool you'll ever need.